Hello and welcome guys, we're back with another video. Today we are making cod fish rice. It's a very easy recipe with minimum ingredients. Let me run you through the main ingredients first. We have boiled codfish here, as you can see. We've just taken a fork to shred the fish, but just make sure to keep the pieces a little bit on the chunkier side and not like shred them too small. We also have cooked rice here, olive oil, onions, tomatoes, boiled eggs, garlic, mixed herbs, some red chili powder, and some salt to taste. That's all that we're going to need for this dish. Let's get started. Step 1 guys would be to take a pan and put the olive oil in the pan. We've kept the flame at medium and we'll allow the oil to heat up. So when the oil has heated up, we will add in the onions. Just saute the onions a bit. You can also add in the garlic at this stage, and we're just going to saute everything together. After about a couple of minutes, we will add in the tomatoes and continue cooking everything together until the tomatoes become nice and mushy. We will also add some salt at this stage. Keep mixing and cooking. After a minute or two of cooking, we are going to add in the mixed herbs and the red chili powder and continue cooking until the tomatoes are completely done. As you can see now, the tomatoes are completely done, they are mushy. At this stage we will add in the fish and mix everything well together. After about a couple of minutes, the fish and the spices have mixed nicely and there's a great aroma coming out at this stage. This would be a perfect time to add in the rice. And one more time, just give everything a nice mix. After another minute or two, when the rice and the fish and the spices have mixed nicely, we're going to do just an optional step of adding about 10 to 15 grams of butter. As I said, this is completely optional. You might just go on for a more healthier version and not put in any butter, but we just like the taste, so we are doing it here. After a minute or two, keeping the flame at low, we are just going to add in a shredded boiled egg here. So just shred the egg. And give everything one more nice mix. And once you thoroughly mixed it, we are now ready with the dish and we are going to proceed on to the serving stage. And all set guys, as you can see, the steaming dish is served. It just looks and smells amazing. At this point, we're pretty sure you're going to enjoy it. We've just topped it up with some shredded boiled eggs and black pepper to enhance the taste. So enjoy!